All right, 8th graders, you are about to create your Flipgrid video, and so I just want to explain how to share your screen. When you're in Flipgrid, scroll down to see record a response. When you click on that, you'll scroll down below and notice you have step 1 of 4. Step 1, we're going to first do options here in the bottom left, and then click on record screen. So when you click on record screen, that is going to then record whatever you have on your computer screen. And so I'm going to click Start Screen Recording, and you have to click on if you want to do the screen, or you could also just do tab. And so the tab that I have mine open in is my RAV4 presentation. So if you click on your actual tab that you're doing your presentation, your Google Slides on, you can then click Share. And you can see then that's what will be recorded. I can click Present. And now I can just talk through my presentation while it's being recorded on Flipgrid. So I would go through all of my information, reading through it, and then going back to Flipgrid, I can click Stop Recording. That's what will be recorded. I can click Present. So, it will then review what you recorded, and you would click on Next. You have to then take a picture, just a selfie, that will be the icon to show your video. So if you want to take a picture of yourself, have a nice pretty smile, otherwise take a picture of something else. And so there's my pretty smile. You can click on Next. It's uploading, and then it will be, you would, I don't know if you have to do a link, let's see. Don't need to do a link. If you want to do your title of what your robot is. So for mine, it would be RAV4, and that's my robot. So my video would be now visible. You go ahead and create your video with Flipgrid. Remember to share your screen and go through those 4 steps.